Okay, so we got to open another box. Let's take a look at the water pump.
Well packaged.
Well packaged. Okay, there's, yep, open that up once. There's the torque pattern. Is that the torque pattern?
Yes, very nice. Gives you
Oh,
torque pattern.
nice.
That's very important.
Okay. Looks like we got some fittings in there too.
Water pump and all the fittings.
All the fittings are there.
Beautiful for all the water intake and out.
Very nice. Okay, we're gonna pull off the old pump. There we go. And you could see, look at that. You could see sort of where it was leaking. See that right there? That was the gasket.
Right where that rod is.
There we go. I want to show you these two water pumps. This one's from John Deere, and it's got a plastic circulating blade inside. It's plastic. This one's from FridayParts, and it's got a metal circulating. So look at that. Look at the difference. There to there. We also noticed too that there's a lot of play in the shaft on this water pump, so it's a good thing we replaced the whole thing. Another thing is we're going to put sealant around this gasket that mounts to that new pump. Well, they already got it on there, so we don't have to do that. As we're working on the water pump, look at this. I got another package. And it is Fix It Once, Fix It Right, FridayParts. That is a radiator. And it looks like that's very well packaged. Wow, it's in a wooden crate. Look at that.
With metal corners.
Yeah, with metal corners. Very nice. All right, there we go. There's the radiator. Very nice. So now what we got to do is we got some parts off the old radiator we have to add to the new one to make it fit. This is the old radiator, and I got to take some parts off of it to transfer it to the new radiator from FridayParts. Well, we got the water pump on. Now we got the pulley on, and now we got to put the fan on, and then we got to put the belt on. And we just got done putting the belt on, and there's the fan. Next, we're gonna put on the radiator. Okay, we got the radiator on, the water pump's on. We've got the attachments that go to the radiator on. So now we're gonna finish up the front end. We should be able to put coolant in. We should be able to start it and check for leaks. Well, we got the majority of the things on. The front end here, we still got more to do. We have the battery, we're hooking up the battery. So now I'm gonna put coolant in. It's gonna take quite a bit because it's almost completely empty. All right, we temporarily have the battery hooked up. I put coolant in the radiator. So let's go ahead and turn it over. We're gonna check for leaks, and then we're gonna probably add some more coolant. Looks good over here so far. Pulleys are lined up. Everything sounds good, nothing's rubbing. Well, looks good. Letting it run. It's been running now for about 15 minutes. Everything looks good, no leaks.
FridayParts, fix it once, fix it right.